What's up guys, this is Suleiman from Skillroad and we're back again today with another video on how to develop Python programs on our channel Skillroad. Today we are going to go over inputs and outputs in Python. Are you ready? So let's go.
Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are.
Alrighty. So far we've seen how to work with variables and data types in Python. But what we don't know yet is how to get data from the user. So that's where the input comes. In order to create an input, that's pretty simple. So what I would like you to do is just to open your Atom text editor. We're just gonna do some stuff. So go to File. We can open a new folder, but what I would like to do, I'm just gonna create a new folder because I think that I deleted the one that we created last time. I'm sorry about that. Okay, we can come on desktop and then right here we can write new folder. I will write my new folder and then I will write just IO. Within the IO one we can select the folder at the same times, and then Atom is gonna open a new folder for us. Okay, within the folder we can just create a new file. Just type it input, and do not forget, make sure you write the extension py on it. Okay, I have that. So my terminal, I have nothing on my script yet. So okay, let's think about, let's say I want to get the name of my user. So I can think about the variables. In this case the variable can act stuff like a container. The variable is going to contain my username. But how to do that? Great question. The thing is, there is a built-in function within Python which is called input. So let us just write our variable name. We know that in Python we don't need to specify our data type, so I will just write name equal input, and then I will open my parentheses and then I will pass a string to ask. So what's your name? What's your name? Okay, let us call our script. My script is called input, right? So let's just write input.py. And you can see what is your name. So I would say my name is Suleiman. Enter. And then our program stops. So now we already have a variable which was acting as a container, so it contains now the name that you will input within name variables. So how to get that back, which comes the output. So in order to get that, we're just gonna print. I will write my name is, and then I will concatenate the value of the name, and then we can see now. And then let us call it again, input.py. What's your name? Suleiman, right? And then click on enter. My name is Suleiman. Congrats, you work with your first input and output with Python, and I wanted to challenge you to write a simple program for me. Click pause, and then I will tell you first before you click on pause. Let's see. I want you to create a program which can calculate the weight of someone on the moon. You know what? I think I just got an idea. I will see you in the next video. No, I will see you in the next video with my solution. Before that happens, Stay tuned, have fun, take care. Peace.